Yan ang parking. Ito yung park. Yan yung railroad tracks right here. Yan. Ito yung bathroom nila. Tingnan natin kung ano yung bathroom nila. Ito yung bathroom nila. Is this open? Ay, it's locked. Huh, they close it. Ito, man. Yung bathroom nila dito. Yung light pa nila. Automatic. Malinis. Walang may ano pa. Tapos pa silang tubig dito. Yan. Tubig yan. May pasa lang. Ay, wala lang pamunas. But it's okay. Wala pa silang fountain dyan. Talaga. Yan yung intermediate. Yan. Intermediate. So, ito na yung walk station. Ito yung field kung saan sila naglalaro ng baseball, soccer. Yan.